Hello guys, so today we're going to do questions on profits and losses. So in last class I had explained you how to calculate with profits and losses, what is the relationship between CP, SP, MRP, MP and all these things. So today we are going to do some questions based on profits and losses. Okay, so now a very first thing, in last class I had made you understand with the first question wherein we were supposed to calculate with the actual SP. When we were having earlier, we were having a loss and then we had to work with the profit part. Okay, so now in the next part, now I will be explaining you how to calculate a question wherein your CP is given and that is in the basically it's basically we need to calculate CP. Okay, so I will be doing one question wherein you need to calculate with CP and I will also explain you with the shortcut tricks. I will make you write the formula wherein you can use that particular formula to calculate with CP. Okay, so we will be using formula that is CP is equal to difference SP divided by difference in profit percent. So difference in profit percent, and then we will be multiplying it by 100, so you will receive CP value. Okay, so now for example, let's take a question wherein I'm given a person sold an article at profit of 15%, and if he had sold rupees 480 more, then he would have gained 15%, sorry, 18% on CP. So we have to calculate CP here. Okay, so what is my question saying? A person sold an article at a profit of 15%. Okay, earlier what was CP? He received a profit of 15% at the price he sold. That is on SP he received 15%. Now what are we saying, that if he had sold it for 480 more, that is the what was earlier SP, if we add 480 to this old SP, we will receive a profit of 18% to the CP. Okay, so now how will we calculate it? First of all, we will let CP equal to X here, and then what we will do, we will take 115% of this CP, that is X, which will be equal to like SP. Okay, but we have to add on with 480 rupees here, so that we receive new SP, which will be equal to 118% of X. Okay, so now when you are adding 115% of X, we are calculating and then adding with 480, you will receive this amount. Okay, so simply we have to find out with the X. So calculating, cancelling all these things, we will receive X, which is equal to 480 divided by 3 into 100, which is equal to 16000. So this will be my answer. Now here look at the formula and just put the formula here. This one formula we will be putting here, so that we have a shortcut to calculate with the question. Now see, difference in profit percent here, earlier you were having 15% and the new one you are having 18%. So what is the difference here? 3%. That I have applied over here also, but this was actually because of subtraction part. Okay, this was due to subtraction part, but now here we will be applying directly formula. So what will be my formula? Difference in SP that you are gaining. What is the difference here? Your difference is 480 rupees. Your new SP is at a difference of 480 rupees. So 480 rupees divided by 3 into 100, which is according to this formula. So you will receive CP, which will be directly equal to 16,000. So you need not work with let CP be X and then calculate with the formula and then solve it up. You can directly use this formula and solve this question. Okay. So coming on to it, next type of question. Herein we will be using shortcut method where actual price we can calculate what will be the sold price or like SP, so that we have like working easier. Okay, so let me make a person bought an article at 24 rupees. Okay, then he how many for a rupee must to sell a gain of 25%. Now what is he saying? CP of 20 article, he is saying that it is rupees 1. Okay, and then he is saying SP of 20 articles, the same 20 articles is having gain of 25%. So it is 125% of CP. Okay, so CP of here I require CP that will be rupees 1. So 125 of rupees 1 I have here. So now for rupees 1 article sold, what I can do is I can directly write 20 into 4 by 5, okay, which is equal to 16. So herein what I have calculated, what will be 1 rupee selling price of this when I am having 4 by 5, that is 25% of its gain. Okay, so now what is the shortcut trick to calculate this? Okay, so you require to have a 25% of gain here. Okay, that means 100% plus 25% on CP, right? So it will be like 125 in all. Now the article should be sold at rupees 1. Okay, so this will be equal to, you are given 20 articles of rupees 1. You are given price here. You are asked what is the what will be quantity of that will be sold at rupees 1. Okay, so 20 into 100 by 125. Earlier we were saying that 20 articles will cost 1 rupees, but now you have to calculate if you are having 25% of gain, then what will be your quantity that you will be selling for rupees 1. So this is the direct formula that you can use. Okay, so the formula becomes old quantity multiply by 100 upon new SP. This is your old SP, this is your new SP, SP including the profit margin. So this will be equal to new quantity. Alright, so this is your formula that you will be using here. So this is the direct way. Whenever you are practicing lots and lots of questions, so you will understand what is the basic concept behind it and how can I solve it faster. Okay, so I am explaining you with the concepts. If you are required, like you are requiring worksheets to solve with the questions, do comment in the sections so that I will provide you with the worksheets wherein you can solve with more and more questions. Alright, so now I will explain you one more trick and then that's all for today, because we will be doing in all 3 tricks and next we will be doing in next class. So now with coming up with next type of question wherein like I am directly reading out with the question and then we will be solving it with the help of another type of trick. Okay. So I am reading out with the question directly and then we will be solving it by another type of trick. So question says a vendor bought bananas at 5 for rupees 4 and sold them at 4 for rupees 5. So what did he do? He bought 5 bananas at rupees 4 and sold 4 bananas at rupees 5. Now what is the question saying? Find profit or loss percentage. It's a direct question, but what can be the simplest formula to calculate it? Okay, so I am using trick here which will make you question do faster. Okay, so what we are here, what you have to do, see, you have to first of all, this is your quantity and this is your price. Okay, so what you will do, in order to calculate profit percentage, formula says multiplying these, that is 25, 5 into 5, then subtracting 4 into 4, that is 16, this is the difference, and then dividing it by 16, that is 4 into 4. Okay, so this will give you profit percentage which will be multiplied by 100. So this will be equal to your 9 by 16, which is equal to 56. Sorry, I forgot to put here 100. 56.25. So this will be equal to 56.25%. So this is the direct way of doing such kinds of questions wherein you are given quantity of purchase, price of purchase, and then you are also given quantity of selling and price of selling. So this is the direct formula to calculate with the profit percentage. Now we will be doing with another kinds of question in next class. So if you require worksheets to practice with the questions, do let me know. I will make a PDF out of the questions to solve it for the practices. Okay, thank you very much.